We'll address this here in a second, but for now I'm going to show you how to change out this emergency release cord whenever it breaks on these Genie overhead C-channel rails. I see a lot of these that are damaged or broken, and they get smaller and smaller, and no one ever seems to replace them. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, when you look up in here, just push up on this. You can see that the top is going to actually come out right through the top here. Okay, that's your entrance that you're going to slide your new cable or rope through. All right, I don't have this exact style, but I'll show you how we can prevent it from coming through on the new one. Okay, here I'm just going to take this piece apart. I'm going to split it and put the new put this around the end of the new rope, and then I'll hammer it down. All right, you can see I got that out. I'll put the new rope in there, and then I'll pinch it flat. We'll fold this over and pinch it. Best I can do by getting it flattened, and that's enough to get in there. All right, so I came into the top, pull this down, right there. All right, now you can tie your handle down here, and this is able to close smooth up top. You can create a knot, but it has to go all the way in there flat, so that this can close flat. Good to go.